Beetroot, that vibrant tuber that has captured both markets and dinner tables in Madrid, is not just a colorful and tasty ingredient, but also a true superfood packed with health benefits. In a world where mindful eating has become a priority, beetroot stands out for its nutritional richness and versatility in the kitchen. As we delve into its properties, history, and integration into local gastronomy, we uncover why you should consider adding it to your daily diet. Let's start with the most important part, the benefits of beetroot. This tuber is an excellent source of essential nutrients. With low calorie content and a high concentration of fiber, beetroot is the perfect ally for those looking to improve digestion and maintain a healthy weight. Fiber not only helps regulate intestinal transit, but also contributes to a feeling of fullness, which can be a great support in any dietary plan. Additionally, beetroot is rich in antioxidants, compounds that protect our cells from oxidative damage and benefit cardiovascular health, among other things. Studies have shown that regular consumption of beetroot can help lower blood pressure and improve blood circulation, which is especially beneficial for athletes, as better blood flow means enhanced physical performance. But beetroot is not only good for the heart, it is also a source of vitamins and minerals. It contains folate, essential for the formation of red blood cells and the maintenance of cellular health, as well as vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. Additionally, its mineral content, including potassium and magnesium, contributes to blood pressure regulation and fluid balance in the body. Undoubtedly, beetroot is a food that should be included in everyone's diet, especially in a city like Madrid, where the fast-paced lifestyle often leads to unhealthy fast food options. Now, if we delve into the history of beetroot, we find a fascinating story that dates back to ancient times. Native to North Africa and Europe, beetroot was initially cultivated for its leaves, which were used as food. It wasn't until the Romans began to appreciate its root that this tuber started to gain popularity. Over the centuries, beetroot has traveled and evolved, with its arrival in Spain attributed to the expansion of the Roman Empire. Since then, it has found its place in Spanish gastronomy, adapting to various recipes and culinary traditions. Today, beetroot has become a star ingredient in many preparations, from salads to detox juices, and its use has grown exponentially in vegan and vegetarian cooking. In the current context of Madrid, beetroot has been embraced by many restaurants and tapas bars, standing out for its versatility and ability to add a splash of color and flavor to any dish. At Cantina 33, a cozy spot located at Calle Campomanes 5, they have harnessed all the virtues of this tuber by creating their famous vegan burger, the Red Dragon. This burger is not only a feast for the senses, but also a clear example of how to eat healthily without giving up the joy of enjoying a delicious meal. The Red Dragon combines beetroot with other fresh and flavorful ingredients, creating a burst of flavors that not only delights the palate, but also nourishes the body. These types of culinary innovations are inspiring more Madrileños to take an interest in healthy eating and products that enhance their well-being. The vegan Red Dragon burger is just one example of how beetroot can be used in creative and delicious ways. At Cantina 33, they have created a space where food becomes an experience, and each dish tells a story. Beetroot, with its vibrant color and natural sweetness, takes center stage in a burger that is not only suitable for vegans, but also a delightful option for any food lover. Tasting it is an opportunity to enjoy a dish that is not only healthy, but also bursting with flavor and creativity. So if you're in Madrid and haven't tried the Red Dragon yet, don't wait any longer. Come to Cantina 33 and discover how a simple tuber can transform a meal into a memorable experience. Beetroot is not just food. It symbolizes how we can take care of our health while enjoying gastronomy. In a world where fast food is often presented as the only option, Cantina 33 stands as a beacon of hope, demonstrating that it's possible to eat well without sacrificing pleasure. In conclusion, beetroot is an ingredient that deserves a prominent place in our diet. Its numerous health benefits, rich history, and versatility in the kitchen make it a superfood that we should all explore. From its arrival in Spain to its adaptation in modern gastronomy, beetroot has come a long way, and today, in the heart of Madrid, we can enjoy its splendor in innovative dishes like the vegan Red Dragon burger. So the next time you think about what to eat, remember beetroot and everything it has to offer. We look forward to welcoming you at Cantina 33 to experience it for yourself.